Our respected founder chancellor, distinguished directors, esteemed guests, dedicated staff, proud parents, and our dear students, a very warm welcome to each one of you. I would like to begin with the words of Rabindranath Tagore, who once said, "The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence." This thought beautifully reflects the philosophy that guides the Pupil Savita Eco School. Education here extends far beyond academic knowledge. It seeks to nurture curiosity, creativity, compassion, and responsibility, thus enabling our students to grow as thoughtful individuals and responsible citizens. It is therefore my privilege to present the annual report for the academic year 25-26, which is a reflection of a year filled with meaningful learning, inspiring achievements, and the collective effort of our students, teachers, parents, and leadership. At the Pupil, a journey is guided by a clear vision. The Pupil will be an ideal preparatory ground for life, where every child transforms into a balanced and mature person with a sound body, mind, and spirit, ready to meet the challenges of the 21st century with zeal and enthusiasm. Our mission is to nurture world citizens who rise above the boundaries of ego, religion, and nation, and who contribute meaningfully to the equitable and sustainable development of our planet. Through a learning environment that supports physical, emotional, intellectual, and ethical growth, we strive to cultivate individuals who combine knowledge with wisdom and aspiration with responsibility. Every institution is strengthened by the vision and guidance of those who lead it. At the Pupil, we are deeply grateful to our founder Chancellor Dr. N.M. Veerayan and directors Dr. Savita Rajesh and Dr. Rajesh, whose unwavering commitment continues to guide and support every initiative that enriches the learning journeys of our students. Their leadership, along with the dedication of our academic and administrative teams, ensure that our school continues to grow as a vibrant center of excellence. At the heart of the Pupil lies a curriculum designed to nurture curiosity, independence, and innovation. Our Montessori program for early learners provide a nurturing environment where children explore concepts through hands-on experiences and self-directed discovery. From grades 1 to 5, our transdisciplinary approach allows students to connect ideas across subjects, helping them understand the world through meaningful contexts. Divyam, our inclusive education initiative, ensures that every learner receives the support and encouragement they need to thrive. Our NIOS curriculum offers flexible pathways for students, ensuring that education remains accessible and responsible to diverse learning needs. For students aspiring to excel in competitive examinations, our IRIS, Super 100 and Pinnacle programs provide structured academic mentoring and rigorous preparation for JEE and NEET, empowering them to pursue their ambitions with confidence. Complementing this academic rigor is our Kriya Innovation Lab, where students explore technology, robotics, and design thinking, transforming ideas into practical solutions for the real world. Together, these programs form the foundation of a learning system that encourages every child to explore their potential. This year, our school continued to evolve through initiatives that enriched learning beyond the classroom. One of the highlights was the month-long theatre certification program conducted by the renowned multidisciplinary artist Chevalier Praveen Kannanur. Through theatre, music, dance, and visual arts, students collaborated to create an original performance based on ecological themes, blending creativity and environmental awareness. The Skill It Readers project inspired our grade 6 students to explore literature deeply and express their interpretations with creativity and confidence. Our Pupil Reading Quest Mission 30 strengthened the culture of reading across the school through storytelling sessions, reading challenges, and drop everything and read moments that brought the entire school community together in celebration of books. Students also participated in a campus planting initiative, actively contributing to the development of green spaces within the school. Adding to our growing infrastructure, the introduction of a new football turf and cricket pitch has expanded opportunities for students in the field of sports. These initiatives reflect our commitment to nurturing creativity, curiosity, and environmental responsibility.
At the Pupil, learning extends far beyond the classroom. Our TEDx Club continued to nurture student voices, providing a platform for young thinkers to develop and share their ideas. The third edition of TEDx Youth at the Pupil once again brought together inspiring speakers and young changemakers, sparking powerful conversations about innovation and leadership. Scientific curiosity found vibrant expression through the Super 100 Science Live Quiz hosted by the renowned quizmaster Bertie Ashley alongside an engaging science exhibition. Entrepreneurial thinking flourished through our Business Quest competitions, where students explored marketing strategies, branding, and business innovation through challenges such as Shark Tank, AdZap, and logo design. Our Model United Nations training programs prepared students to engage in thoughtful debate and diplomacy, nurturing informed global citizens. Meanwhile, the Kids MBA program culminated in Innovateen, where students presented entrepreneurial ideas developed through months of learning. Events such as Mathlon Season 3 and the Quest Chennai Regionals hosted at our campus further encouraged analytical thinking and intellectual curiosity.
Our school proudly hosted the World Scholars Cup, welcoming over 1,000 participants across 30 schools. The event was graced by Daniel, founder and executive director, whose presence inspired young scholars. 81 students of our school participated in the event and secured an impressive number of gold and silver medals, earning a few individual trophies, reflecting their dedication, excellence, and outstanding performance throughout the competition.
Sports continue to play a vital role in shaping discipline, resilience, and teamwork among our students. We were honored to host Dr. Vineet Kumar, Deputy Director General of the Sports Authority of India, who visited our campus and appreciated our sports infrastructure, encouraging our continued commitment to sports excellence and holistic student development. Our athletic meet brought together the entire school community in a spirited celebration of sportsmanship. The 9th annual state-level floodlight tennis tournament witnessed enthusiastic participation from talented athletes across the state. Our youngest learners enjoyed their own sports day, while students from higher grades demonstrated their athletic prowess during the pre-meet events and the annual sports day, filling the campus with energy and excitement.
Our annual music fest featuring Margadi Mahotsav and the Pupil Live in Concert celebrated the timeless beauty of music. Students showcased their artistic talent through installations and sculptures as a part of the Madras Art Guild 2026. Our annual art festival Chitra Punaivu 2026 transformed the campus into a vibrant celebration of creativity and imagination. We were honored by the presence of eminent art director Padma Shri Tota Tarini and Shri R.B. Bhaskaran, renowned Chennai-based contemporary Indian artist. The para-academic quest culmination showcased the diverse artistic and sporting talents developed by our own students throughout the year. Students participated in numerous observances that fostered awareness, empathy, and global responsibility for the year 25-26. From International Yoga Day and Madras Day to Independence Day and Dr. Maria Montessori Day, observances encourage students to reflect on culture, community, well-being, and child-centered education. Celebrations such as Friendship Day, Music Day, World Tourism Day, World Chocolate Day, Hindi Divas, and World Read Aloud Day added moments of joy and learning to our school calendar. Service remains a defining pillar of the pupil ethos. Students contributed to the community through initiatives such as wall art at Premavasam Charitable Trust, bringing color and positivity to shared spaces. Through the Joy of Giving initiative, they spent meaningful time and resources with the elderly, sharing warmth and companionship. Environmental awareness was reinforced through observances such as World Environment Day, Rainforest Day, Hiroshima Day, International Tiger Day, and World Conservation Day. An anti-drug eradication club was launched for the students of grade 9 and above to raise awareness about the dangers of substance abuse. Alongside this, mental health awareness was promoted among all students through various initiatives. Our campus also came alive through vibrant celebrations. Festivals such as Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Onam, and Diwali brought color, culture, and joy to our community. We celebrated our mentors during Teachers' Day, welcomed new beginnings during Vijayadashami, and enjoyed the lively spirit of Children's Day. The passing out ceremony for the class of 2026 marked an emotional milestone, while our alumni meet strengthened lifelong connections among pupilites. The year concluded beautifully with Marabutcharal, our vibrant Pongal celebration honoring tradition and heritage. Students' life at the pupil is defined by leadership, exploration, and discovery. A student council election and investiture ceremony fostered democratic participation and responsible leadership among students. They also participated in awareness sessions on digital responsibility, equality, and conflict resolution. Students gained global exposure through an international educational trip to NASA, where they learnt about space exploration, scientific research, and technological advancements. Field trips to destinations such as Surili, Mahabalipuram, Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary, Birla Planetarium, and Vivekananda House further enriched learning through meaningful real-world experiences. To deepen the engagement with art, students visited Padma Shri Totadharini's creative studio, interacting with the legendary art director and gaining insights into his creative process and design techniques. They also explored artist Anamika's gallery, experiencing artwork that reflected themes of emotion, identity, and human connection. Our guest lecture series, featuring experts from diverse fields, inspired students to explore new perspectives. Through career counseling sessions, university fairs, and guidance programs, students were empowered to make informed decisions about their future. A school flourishes when the entire community works together. Throughout the year, our teachers participated in professional development workshops, strengthening their pedagogical practices. Parents remained active partners through orientation programs, curriculum workshops, and parent observation, fostering deeper understanding of their children's learning journeys. We are also delighted to inaugurate the Pupil Toastmasters Club, offering a platform for parents, teachers, and staff to develop communication and leadership skills.
Academic achievements. The academic performance of our students of grade 10 and 12 have been truly commendable. In grade 10, Roshita Lakshmi and Pranav emerged as the school toppers, each securing an outstanding 492 out of 500. Alongside them, featured on the screen are our grade 10 top performers. Overall, the results reflect a strong cohort performance, with many students securing scores well above 95%, highlighting the commitment of our students and steady guidance of our teachers. Our grade 12 students also achieved excellent results, reflecting the academic rigor and commitment that define our institution. P. Prashita from the Humanities stream secured an outstanding 492 out of 500. Following closely, Stravani KG emerged as the topper of the Science stream with an impressive 489 out of 500. Alongside them, the students on the screen are our grade 12 top performers whose consistent effort and determination have led to the exceptional academic outcomes. Overall, the cohort performed remarkably well. 1 in 4 students in the Science and Commerce streams secured above 90%, while 1 in 3 students in the Humanities stream scored above 90%. This reflected the academic strength and dedication of our graduating batch. Reflecting the steady and sustained pursuit of academic excellence at our institution, Sushil Narayan achieved an extraordinary Tamil Nadu rank 1 and an All India rank 2 in JEE Mains Paper 2 in 2026. The strong academic performance of our students has also translated into admissions of our pupilites into some of the most prestigious engineering institutions in the country. As reflected on the screen, our students have secured places at leading institutions including the Indian Institute of Technology, National Institutes of Technology, BITS Pilani, and other premier engineering institutions, marking the beginning of an exciting academic journey ahead. Similarly, our students also delivered commendable performance in NEET 2025. Rehan Abbas achieved an outstanding 99.90 percentile, followed by Purnita Gayatri with 99.66 percentile and Aniruddhan Vinod with 99.63 percentile. Students from the 24-25 batch have gone to secure admissions to reputed medical colleges including Stanley Medical College, Kilpauk Medical College, government medical colleges and dental colleges, marking the beginning of promising journeys in the field of healthcare. These accomplishments were celebrated through the Pupil Arite, our initiative that honors consistent academic distinction and recognizes the dedication and perseverance demonstrated by our students.
Beyond the classroom, our students continue to demonstrate exceptional talent and intellectual curiosity by participating in a wide range of academic competitions. Our students achieved notable success in the prestigious PEL-B International Competition. For the year 24-25, at the international level, 38 students emerged as winners in the accomplishment category. In 2025-26, 35 students secured top positions at the national level, 38 at the regional and state levels, and 7 at the inter-school with a perfect score of 100. Additionally, more than 75 students earned recognition under the accomplishment category, bringing great pride to the school. Our students excelled in the SOF Olympiads, Regional Mathematics Olympiad, and the National Mathematics Talent Competition, bringing laurels to the school. Mrityunjay Ramkumar secured 2nd rank in ISSO 2025 at the national level. Kadir Premanand and Rahitya Ratish became state toppers at the National Standard Examination in Junior Science conducted by the Indian Association of Physics Teachers. Harsha D of grade 7 built a sumo bot in the developer category of Mechathon, which qualified him for the national level. Their achievements were recognized and were honored with Rashtriya Bhasha Bhushan Award, Utkrishta Pradarshan Puraskar, and won prizes in ADZAP logo slogan competitions, Vocabulary Wizard, CIMAT's Mega Inter-School Science Project, talent competitions, Commerce Fest, robotics, Sudoku, and Abacus. Mridula of grade 10 represented Chennai district at the Entrepreneurial Development Institute, Ahmedabad, and Sudarshini of grade 11 participated in the prestigious 6-week Research Science Initiative at IIT Madras. We proudly celebrate our young authors Heshini, Kirtana, Nandina Nakshatra, Shri Raksha, Haresh, Mitran, Blessy Serena Evangeline, and Ritesh for their remarkable literary achievements. We take pride in the exceptional accomplishments of our students across diverse fields. Our learners have achieved world record recognitions and excelled in piano, keyboard, dance, and Trinity College of London examinations, showcasing remarkable talent and dedication in the performing arts. We also congratulate Sanvi Vishnu, who is the youngest singer in the legendary project Thirukural 1330, bringing great pride to the school. Sports continue to play a vital role in nurturing discipline, resilience, and teamwork. Our NCC and RSP cadets performed with distinction, demonstrating discipline, leadership, and commitment in their training and activities. Throughout the year, our athletes represented the school with exceptional dedication and excellence across a wide spectrum of disciplines, including athletics, gymnastics, taekwondo, karate, kickboxing, silambam, archery, swimming, table tennis and badminton, football, pickleball, skating, lobby racing, chess, and yoga. These achievements reflect the school's continued commitment to encouraging physical excellence alongside academic and intellectual growth.
Great teachers inspire, empower, and leave a lasting legacy. While our students' achievements are a testament to their talent and hard work, they are nurtured by an equally dedicated team. This year, several members of our remarkable faculty were honored for their excellence. Mrs. Sharanya Venkat was awarded the Shrestha Acharya by the Lions Club, Mrs. Girija and Mr. Anand, Acharya Mani by Chennai Sahodaya, Mr. Parani, Best Teacher by SOF, Mr. Mahendran, Inspiring Sports Mentor by UNIS Research Council. With this, we come to the close of the annual report for this academic year. Behind every milestone presented today are countless moments of effort, guidance, curiosity, and encouragement that shape the life and spirit of a school. They reflect the shared commitment of our students, teachers, parents, and leadership in nurturing a community where learning continues to inspire and transform. May the journey of education that unfolds within these walls continue to awaken thoughtful minds, compassionate hearts, and purposeful individuals who will carry forward the values and spirit of this institution. Thank you for being an integral part of this incredible journey. Here is to another year of inspired progress, limitless dreams, and a future as radiant as our shared spirit.